If you're depleted in minerals, you can't rebuild your body.
Right. And some of the ways I like to utilize these leafy greens, definitely in smoothies, because I have children and I want to get it into them. And that's one of the ways I get it into them. I also put it in salads. We have a raw salad every night along with our meal. Obviously, you can cook it, you can put it in soups and stews. They're great ways to eat it. So you don't just have to just cook it in a pot and think it's going to be boring. You can add things to it besides butter, margarine, oil, or even animal fat to make greens taste good.
Yeah.
There's different ways.
Be creative again.
Yes.
Yeah, so true. All right, let's do the bonus one because this really will blow you away. And that's beans and lentils. You gotta be careful, you'll be blown away on that one. But beans are so great.
They feed the gut bacteria that help regulate inflammation.
The immune system in the guts.
Yes.
Yeah.
It also provides protein, adequate protein, right?
Protein and carbs.
Yeah.
Good carbs.
Right.
Quality.
Yes. So if Dr. Furman always say that some people complain that they cannot eat beans because it makes them gassy. Well, it's because your body's not used to consuming those beans. And some of the ways, tips and tricks you do is either soak your beans for overnight to help reduce that, right? Cook your beans very well and even start small. You don't have to, if you're not used to eating it or afraid of it, you can start very small. Have a tablespoon or two of beans and work your way up into your diet.
Yeah, again, be creative, start slow. It's about progress over perfection. You can't conquer Rome overnight.
Yes.
And I think the beans are something that's completely under-eaten by adults and they don't respect them. Because if you're consistently tired, if you start switching to these superfoods, especially beans, oh my gosh, you're going to start feeling a lot better.
Yeah.
And then the thing is like that well-known guy, man, I don't think he's even a doctor. He might be a doctor. But again, that don't mean anything anyway, is that the gut health isn't trendy. It's not some kind of fad. It's not some kind of thing, but it's really a foundational way of living in a healthy way.
Yes. And eating a little bit of beans every day it not only feeds the gut bacteria, but it also gives you the protein. It also slows the aging. And some of the ways we eat it, the Instapot is your best friend or slow cooker is your best friend when it comes to beans.
Yeah.
It's more affordable to buy them dried versus in the can. Especially if you have a family and you want them to eat it, do it in the Instapot. It comes out way better.
Yep.
Especially in the slow cooker, it comes out very creamy and way tastier. There's so many recipes online to utilize the beans. You could put them in salads. You could put them in a burrito. You can put them in the side of a meal. There's so many different ways to eat it.
It's about being creative and becoming the person that you need to be in order to be creative, in order to cook like this at home, and because at the end of the day, you can't have health without becoming the person who deserves the health that you want.
Right.
You're the person, well, I can't say that you're the person. I was a person who was living unhealthy. I had no health. I decided to become a healthier person, do the things that healthy people do, and I got my health.
Right.
And I can honestly say, and this ain't bragging, but 50 years old, I don't think I look 50 compared to a lot of people who I know who are 50 or even 45 or below.
Right.
I think that the overall is that your body isn't broken. It's been stuck in like defense mode. I lived there. I've been there. You've been there. We've done that. And these superfoods, the 4 of them, will help you restore and repair your body and put it in an environment where it can repair.
Nicely put.
Thank you.
If you like what you're hearing, subscribe and follow along with us as we have more conversations like this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anything else?
No.
Until next time, be well.
All right, take care.